Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a cosmetic mod that I've wanted to install for a very long time. In my opinion, it completely changes the look of the car. It makes it look so much more uniform. It is going to be JDM clear side markers. Had to go with the clear. I couldn't do smoked, couldn't do the orange, and I got these on Driven Media for 35 bucks. It's honestly a steal compared to the OEM price, which is around like 150 to 200 bucks. And it's pretty much the same look. So we're gonna be installing these today. It should make the car look so much better. All right, y'all, so for tools that we're gonna need for the job is gonna be a 10mm socket with a ratchet, preferably something small, something low profile. Any sort of flathead screwdriver, again, preferably something low profile, like I have right here. And then, not mandatory, but will definitely make it easier, is just a pair of pliers. All right, so there's 3 clips right here. The first step is to take your flathead and just kind of pop them loose like so. There we go. All right. And then the next step, you just kind of want to pull the fender liner back to where it exposes this little plug right here. And what you're going to want to do is squeeze it and pull it out like so. You can just let that hang. And then there's going to be a 10mm nut, which is why we need our socket. Let's see, it's that one right there. Pull this back. Once you have your socket in, all you're gonna do is loosen it up. And you can take it off with your hands once you crack it. Take that off like so. All right, so once you remove the 10mm nut right here, there are these little tabs right here, and it's basically like a reverse. I don't know how to describe it, but essentially what it does is when you push it in, it expands and it locks. So what you have to do is actually squeeze it to remove the side marker. But as you can see, it's really hard to do with your hands. So to make your life easier, grab a pair of pliers. So what we're gonna do, so we're gonna pull it back and you're gonna squeeze, and then it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but as you're squeezing, you want to pull it out. And it should pop out just like that. And then just do the same thing from the bottom. And just like that, no more side marker. All right, so now we have our clear side marker. Look at this thing in the sun. Look at this thing in the sun. Oh man, dude, so much better. So much better. Oh man, it's even like a little like rainbow prismatic kind of. Okay, enough. So now all you want to do is just push it in. Just making sure that it's lined up as flush as possible to the bumper before I screw it back. And now we're gonna put the push pins back in. I recommend starting from the middle so that it lines up properly. All right, that's one down. Oh yeah, make sure it's pulled all the way up. That way, you know, there's no resistance going in. It's two. And then here's three. Boom. Just like that. Wow. Man. All right. Here's comparison. We got the clear and we got the orange. Honestly, orange is a nice contrast, but like, I don't know. The way I see it, I'm all about uniformity. I got the white going on here, silver going on here, wheels are somewhat silver, exhaust, silver, so this is more me. All right guys, so now I'm gonna do the other side. The reason why I've been wanting to do this for so long is because I got some battle scars right here. And as you can see, it just demolished the side skirt. I mean, not the side skirt, the side marker. So from that moment on, I was like, all right, well, time for clears. So. All right guys, now I'm just gonna install the other side real quick. Oh, it was gonna happen eventually. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up the end of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.